We are out here. The boys have arrived. They've caught a couple fish. We've moved on a little bit. I got a little largie. Decent little fish. I'll take it. Really? All right. Yep. Yep. Hayden just caught himself one. Hopefully Aaron will catch one here pretty quick. Right. See if I can't get another. Oh no, I just drug it through some moss.
Because where I was at, I didn't like to carry it up.
Very good. Aaron got another green sunfish. Heck yeah, dude. Is he feisty? Show the camera. Very nice. Heck yeah, dude. Good stuff.
Backflip.
Garrett's gonna be mad.
Did he not catch anything when he was here?
Another fish. Little green sunfish. See if I can get him off this hook here. Caught one a minute ago that did not want to come off the hook. He was not having it. Beautiful fish, beautiful colors. I love it. It's good stuff. You want to switch sides with me, Hayden? Try just, I mean, all in the shade over there. Here, I'll jump down. Yep. Look at there. Hayden caught himself a little baby bass.
They're my baby. Full grown.
Yeah, it's massive. It's a huge fish. You got it, bud?
Yeah. Oh, I just cracked it.
There you go.
Look at that.
Very nice.
Hold it close to the camera, make it look huge.
Yeah. That's the way to do it right there. All right.
Make sure to get the good angle, pointing down.
Yeah. So far, it's been a pretty good day out here. We've all caught at least 2 or 3 fish each, I think. So.
We're all up to 5 at this point.
Yeah, probably. We've been tearing them up. We've moved quite a bit down from where we started, but we've been catching quite a few fish. It's been pretty good.
How many bass have you caught?
I've caught 3 in the time I've been here. One of them was before you guys got here. Oh, looky there. Oh, doubled up, man. Doubled up on green sunfish. Very good. Aaron, you're gonna have to walk over here to show the camera. Y'all doubled up, so we gotta show it, you know. And you can't be scared to just manhandle the fish, you know.
When you push against the hook, they start sliding back and they start stabbing you.
Yep.
I might need a pliers for this guy. He really swallowed that.
Here, grab him.
You got the camera?
Oh yeah.
Camera.
Hang on.
Hey, we're about the same size, bro.
Nice. Wait for hopefully Hayden will. Yeah, there it is.
Gosh, Hayden, there we go. Ow. Put your thumb in there, bro. There you go. Look at that.
Very good. Doubled up on green sunfish. You guys. I swear.
That's like a quadruple front flip. Oh my gosh. Thanks, buddy.
Yep, no problem, man.
Baloney. He's got. It looks like someone
Oh. All right. Little green sunfish. Hayden just had a bite. Unfortunately, didn't hook him, but yeah, sorry. I had my lure got tangled up around the camera for a second there. There he is. Another green sunfish.
Oh.
He's in the mud. Oh no. Oh.
Bro, he ain't trying to move.
No. There you go. Dang, he darted right back underneath all that brush right there. Oh man.
That's black.
Yeah.
That's nasty.
It's gross. Hayden got another green sunfish. I'm gonna have to quit turning the camera off, I guess. We're catching them so fast, I just keep turning it off and right back on, off and right back on.
Directly under there?
Yep, throw off into the shade on the other side over there. If you want to move this way some, you can.
Look at that. Good guy.
Good fish, good fish.
You didn't get my crappy throw on camera, did you?
I sure did,
Yes, he
fella.
did. It was not
and it's
crappy
gonna be
throw.
highlighted. It's gonna replay about 4 times. And it's gonna have one of those laugh tracks in the background.
You're gonna be like, hey, you got this cool fish, and then you're just gonna keep repeating my throw.
Yep.
I didn't have my reel ready.
Oh, that's great. Oh man. Oh, I broke the tree. It's okay, because it was a dead tree. Very nice. Yeah, we've been doing pretty good out here today. It's been pretty good. There's one. Little fella.
Hey, look at that. Is that one you made Aaron leave?
Yep. I knew they were here. Oh, that's great.
Show me that.
Well, I can't. Here's a little guy.
You want to open his mouth?
There he is. He don't want to open his mouth to let me get a hold of him, but that's it. We've just sitting here catching fish after fish. Right. Love this little spot. It's beautiful. Got the little pond out here at the creek. The water runs over the rocks, nice and relaxing. It's real pretty out here. I'm a fan of it. And the sun may be up a little too much still for me to catch anything right here right now. This whole side is still in the sun. I've left the boys up on top of the ridge over there. I'm sure they'll catch something. They have to. Well, I just have to show this. This tiny, tiny little green sunfish. I mean, itty bitty little fella. Only one I've caught right here so far, but that was probably my 3rd or 4th cast over here, give or take a little. Threw off right over here under this tree. And I felt a bite a second ago, and I was like, all right. So I tried it again and caught that little guy. Oh, here we go. Here we go. That's the good stuff. Largemouth. A good one too. Daggum. Yeah, it is. That's one of the bigger ones I've caught out of here. Look at that guy. Ooh, he's feisty. Beautiful. Sorry, Aaron, I couldn't wait for you.
I'm not having any.
No luck?
I don't even feel anything biting. Oh, well, just throwing out the middle right here.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm at least doing something.
Maybe. Be very careful, sir.
Oh,
These rocks are kind of slippery sometimes.
How big was it?
Pretty decent. Pretty decent. You okay?
yeah, I want to make sure I don't slip and knock you over.
Well,
Did you turn that shade?
not even, I mean, not even in the shade,
I'm gonna
man. I'm
pass
throwing
you,
like
dude.
right here. All right, this is unsafe, just so we all know.
It's okay.
It's, I mean, okay.
I'm waiting on here.
There you go. Now you can put this one on.
Oh my God. Well, there you go.
That rock moved.
Obviously. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh.
Hey, that water feels pretty good.
I believe it. I'm sure it's nice and cool.